Good morning. What a start. What a start to the day. Going to get tyre bloody sorted out. Do you know, a spare tyre, it's not even on van, it's in lockup. I just don't put it back on. So we had to literally, I can hear something straight to tyre place. Every tyre place, apart from this one, every tyre place opens at freaking 10 o'clock in Huddersfield. That's no good when the tyre's going down and I ain't got a spare, is it? Anyway, I'm back. I had a nice day off yesterday, chilling. I'm all right, and then all of a sudden I go, oh. So I'm just putting mix on, marking flags out. Tom's laying. His aim is to get that corner and all these over here, that way down, draining and whatnot. So coming to the end of the job. So it's like after today, another day and a half, something like that. But yeah, what weather is this? It's well nice. Huddersfield's normally raining. Crap in it, Huddersfield. Not like Costa del Leeds, but yeah, it's well hot. Apart from him. Just got back from Portugal, walking around this morning with coat on, freezing. What's up with you, man? What's up with you? So yeah, I'll catch you soon. I'll be hobbling about, and I'm just marking flags and doing no, basically. See you soon. But like, what did she say she was? Romanian? Albanian. So, the tattooista one's my thing. She's from Moldova, by Russia. And she's called Victoria, not Vicky. And because they're proud of the name, they don't shorten it. Yeah, like that, Angela. She's probably called Angela. Did she not? No, not called Angela. You know what I mean? Mendes. Oh, Mendes is a good name. You need to mum down there. She'll get a tam. She'll have my fucking tam. It's a bit of that. Yeah, man. Do it individual. You book that and then book your flights and then you book that. Sorry. What a nice productive day today. All that paving done is massive. So we've got, now all we've got is turf, gravel and put resin in. That's it really. So tomorrow we want 99% of the job done, because on Friday we've got a bit of an emergency job, bit of a rush job. This woman's paid a little bit extra for us to come and do it now. Basically she's got I've spoken about her before. There's a woman in Birmingham, she owns half of Kirkstall and half of Meanwood as well. She's rich, let's put it that way. But her daughter in Australia has just got in touch with her and says, right, I'm selling house, blah, 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 whatever. So she's like, right. So she rang me last week and says, right, can you come and fit this patio now? I'm going to pay you £500 more to get it done. So we're like, yeah, we can fit it in. However, I ended up having a day off. Tom went to Portugal. It was just timed wrong. So now we're working Saturday, Sunday. And obviously, it's just, I've lost my train of thought. We're working Saturday, Sunday to get the job done and done for her. It might push into Monday a little bit, but all the estate agents are coming around on Monday late afternoon, so it might be just finishing off odd bit. But yeah, bit of a rush this week now, especially with me having time off and whatnot. But gotta look after yourself, haven't you? Gotta look after yourself. That's what our lass says. Even though now it's the latest I've ever worked this year, and it is, let me just check, 20 to 7. Just so we got that down, that's all. It's taken an hour to get home. But I was saying to Tom, it's not too bad. It's there were no traffic coming home, no traffic at all. So we were like, don't even think about it. So I was like, we'll start early, finish late. No. You were telling me to shove off. Let's say that. But yeah, guys, I'm all done. I'm home. I'm gonna go out for a walk with the dogs, keep my back, my hips moving. And I will see you tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock sharp.